Welcome to Shilpa's Heart and Home. Today I'm presenting the Indian street style Ragada chaat or Chana chaat with a twist. The twist is nothing but I am using sprouted white peas instead of normal white peas. Because sprouted peas have lots of nutrition and it's full of life. So I have soaked the white peas or the chana for 24 hours. Then I washed it. Then I sprouted them for it took around 2 to 3 days for them to sprout up this well. So I took 1 cup of chana and I am adding 2 cups of water. And I add some salt and some turmeric before I pressure cook. And I pressure cook them in a pressure cooker for around 3 whistles. If I am cooking this in Instapot, I would cook it on rice setting, that is 12 minutes. And they cook so well. The ingredients that we need to cook are 1 onion made into fine paste and 2 tomatoes again made into fine paste, a handful of chopped cilantro, and look at the chana, they're beautifully cooked. Out of this, we will take half of the chana into a blender and make it into a fine paste. And to make it into a fine paste, we are using the same water which we used for cooking them. We do not want to waste any of that water because it has a lot of nutrients. You have to blend it into a paste like this. Now, in a pan on a medium flame, add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add cumin, let it splutter. Then please add onion paste and saute it for 1 minute so the raw flavor, the raw smell is faded. Now we should add ginger garlic paste, saute it for 1 minute, and now the paste thickens up. At this point of time, let's add our tomato puree and let's saute it for around 1 or 2 minutes until tomato is well cooked. And now make a small hole in between, add 1 teaspoon of oil and then add dhania powder and then add cumin powder, add black pepper, and it's totally optional. I haven't added any salt until now, so I am adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt, then some chili powder, adjust it according to your taste. Some garam masala, it's totally optional again. Then add some chaat masala. This is a must. Add 1 teaspoon, that's more than enough. Then mix it up very well. Now let's add some turmeric and saute it and mix it very well. Now let's add our rest of the peas and the water that we used for cooking them. We do not want to waste any water at all because it has a lot of nutrients from the sprouted peas. Let's cook it for 2 minutes so peas can absorb all the flavors from the water. And this is the time, if you think your peas are not well cooked, if they're hard, just add some more water, maybe a half cup, and then let it cook for another extra 2 minutes. And you can adjust your salt at this point of time. Now let's add our ground paste. Mix it well and cook it for another 1 minute. Trust me guys, the texture is going to be so good. It smells so good. Look at the thickness. It's perfect. It's just perfect. Now turn off your stove and then add chopped cilantro on from top. Then mix it well. Cilantro does not really need much heat to be cooked, so just mix it up and that heat alone will take care of the cilantro. Look at that. Oh my God, just look at that. Don't you think it's just perfect? And let's add some toppings. Here we have some chopped onions, chili, tomatoes, and chopped cilantro. So now what we do is we have to take a flat plate, spread our chaat very well, and on top of it add some yogurt. Just sprinkle, not too much, and then top it with onions, chilies, cilantro, followed by tomatoes. Look at that. Oh my God. Now I add some cilantro chutney. It's totally optional. Sprinkle some chili powder. I like it spicy. If you want to add more or less, it's up to you. A little bit of something is still missing, right? Yes, lemon. And then let's add something crunchy on top of it. You can add some potato chips or aloo bhujia or cornflakes, anything. Anything works. It is so good. I hope you all give it a try. It's extremely delicious. It's totally street style, and you'll be so happy to try this, and you'll be so thankful to me. Trust me. And thank you so much for watching.